In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set visual level and chart level filters in Power BI. This feature will help you tailor your data visualization to focus on the most relevant information and improve your data storytelling capability. So let's get started. To begin, make sure you have Power BI Desktop open and ready. This is the platform where you'll be doing all of your data modeling and visualization. Once you're in, the first thing you'll need to do is import your data. Your dataset might include links to photos or images, which can be very useful depending on your visualization needs. Power BI is quite versatile in handling various data types, and using image links can often enhance your dashboards and reports, providing a more engaging experience for your audience. Next, it's time to add the visualization you want. Power BI offers a range of visualization options, from simple bar and line charts to more complex options like maps and scatter plots. Choose the one that best represents the story you want to tell with your data. To add a visualization, simply drag your desired fields onto the report canvas and select the appropriate visualization type. You can always customize it later, but getting the visual in place is the first step. Now let's focus on the filters. Filtering your data effectively allows you to highlight key insights without overwhelming your audience with too much information. Look for the filter section in Power BI's interface. It's typically on the right-hand side. Click on the arrow to expand this section. Here, you'll be able to see the different types of filters available: visual level filters, page level filters, and report level filters. For our purposes, we're focusing on visual level filters. These filters are applied to a specific visual on your report page, making them ideal for tailoring individual chart insights. To add the data you want to filter, just drag the field. You want to filter by into the filter section underneath the visuals fields. Once you've done this, Power BI provides several filtering options, such as basic filtering, which allows you to select specific values or fields, or advanced filtering to specify criteria or conditions. Experiment with these options to find what suits your specific needs the best. Maybe you want to focus on a particular time frame, or perhaps you're looking to compare specific categories. Manipulating these filters will ensure that your visual displays exactly what you need it to. Remember, the aim is to make your data as accessible and relevant as possible to your audience, so don't hesitate to tweak and adjust filters to get it just right. And there you have it. By using visual level filters, you're adding a powerful tool to your Power BI toolkit, allowing you to create more focused and impactful visual representations of your data. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore other features Power BI has to offer to further enhance your data storytelling.